welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me and if you're new to this channel, my name's Melissa and I do home decor videos, DIYs, and I will be doing some organization videos. So if you haven't subscribed, I recommend you subscribe to this channel. I would really love your support, and to the ones who are already supporting me, thank you so much. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I decorated my kitchen and my dining room. As you can see, I incorporated some red to the kitchen. I really fell in love with how it came out, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So we're going to start off by decorating the window. I'm going to be using 2 of these candle holders. Inside these candle holders, I'm going to add 2 of these.
These are from the Christmas tree shop.
They're gonna look like this, and I'm gonna put one on each side. And then I'm gonna add this small, nice Christmas tree to the center. So next we're going to be moving on to this section over here, to my napkin holder or paper towel holder. I'm going to be adding this Merry Christmas ornament. I'm going to add 2 candle holders under here. 2 wet candles, and this is just going to be for decoration. I'm obviously not going to turn these candles on under the cabinets. I'm just going to put it here for decoration. And I'm going to add this snowman. It's also a candle holder. But what I'm going to add here, instead of a candle, we use a Google Mini. So I'm going to be adding that there, putting it there, so it doesn't look ugly just laying around like it's just somewhere, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put it on top of here, and I'm gonna try to hide the cords behind the candle holders.
The snowman is from Bath and Body Works, and the 2 red candle holders are from Kirkland's.
So it would look like this. Next to this, I'm gonna add this frame. It says what does it say? It says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." I bought this at TJ Maxx. It was $12.99. So I'm gonna be putting this here. I'm gonna put that here, and I'm gonna add this nice Christmas tree next to it. Right here. Let's continue to the stove. These bows, as you can see, these were DIYs. These are the owls that we used to make our other DIYs for the wreath and some other home decor. These are from Dollar Tree. The ribbon I purchased at TJ Maxx, and I just made the bow out of it, and I added some of this little flower from Dollar Tree as well. And all I really did, I just pretty much just wrapped it around the cabinet and taped it to the back, and it turned out like this. And I only did it to these 2 sides because I didn't really have too much to put like on top of the cabinets or anything, so I just wanted to give it some touches of red and and I really liked how it came out. Now to the stove here, I'm gonna be adding 2 towels. I'm gonna add these 2 towels. These are from TJ Maxx as well. They were $5.99 for both. Adding this dessert tray, but on top of this dessert tray, I'm gonna be adding this little cute these are salt and pepper shakers, but I only use them for decor. They're really cute. These are from Pottery Barn. I'm gonna put it on top of this. And to that, I'm gonna add these red balls just to give it a touch of red.
On top of these cabinets, I added this joy sign and 2 garlands to the side. I also wanted to share with you guys what we did to the kitchen. This is where the dishwasher used to be, but my husband replaced it with this mini fridge. This is where we keep all the drinks. We never used the dishwasher, so that's the reason why we replaced it. So this is how our kitchen looks like. As you can see, we have the playroom on the other side. That used to be our formal dining room, but we never really used it, so we turned it into the girls' playroom. I will share it with you guys later on. As you can see, this is my dining room. I have 2 chairs and a settee, which the girls love. The mirrored window frame is from Hobby Lobby. That wall art above the settee is from Ross. The 2 picture frames are from Burlington. And we're planning on lowering that chandelier. I feel like it's too high. So I've been wanting to lower it down. I'm just waiting for my husband to have time to do that for me. This is how my table looks like. This candle, this reindeer candle holder is from Home Goods.
These glass jars are from Ross. They were $9.99 each. These little cute reindeers I bought at Ross as well. There were 2 for $5.99, I think it was. The fake snow is from Dollar Tree. All these little fake trees are from Walmart. They came in a package of several.